Hello everybody, this is Brad Atkins at Camp Run Amok here at the Atkins Clan Homestead. I'd mentioned yesterday during a video on the reclaimed wood for the chicken run and chicken coop that I had to leave a little early and go get a package that UPS had brought, and that I'd do a reveal of the package here on video. Beautiful morning out here. A little bit of rain. We've needed it though. It's not rained for several weeks here in Kentucky. Excuse me. So here is the package, and as you can see, it's pretty good size. Now, of course, I already know what's in it. Something I've needed to finish up the summer job here, so I can get ready for winter. Sit here and drink my coffee for a second. Now, the reason I had to get this was because my other one kind of pittered out on me. And I'll show you what I mean here in a minute. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Anybody got any guesses? It's a nice sized one here. So let's go ahead and get this thing going. Alright. There we go. That's the first cut. Let me see. Let me see here. Oh. Alrighty. That's right. That is right. The 460 Rancher by Husky. Guess I could have turned that around, huh? But I didn't know what. Look at that. It's a Husky. Now I needed this because the one that I had, a little Remington with a 20-inch bar, is the Outlaw, the M4620. Cut several cords of wood during the winter. And then it just got to the point to where the chain on it would either tighten too much or would just come off. And I am not getting paid or endorsed or anything by Husqvarna. I wish, but I'm not. But this Remington, I mean, it did its job for what it was worth, but then it got to the point to where it just wouldn't tighten. I think it might be the bearings on it. The bar doesn't seem to be bent or twisted. One thing I did notice on this is that for my bar oil, it's got this little screw down in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got to the point to where it's about to fall out. So it either throws so much bar and chain oil that you're just wasting it, or it'll go the other way and won't throw any at all, and then you get this rub on it where it's not lubricating it. I mean, it was good for what it was worth, but I just messaged the guy about fixing it. He said $25 an hour plus parts. Well, I mean, I think we paid $150 for the chainsaw, so it's not even worth getting it fixed at that point. I'd just buy a new one. Now this husky here, we got a good deal on it on Amazon. It ended up being, I think, about 450 bucks, somewhere around there. It's got a 24-inch blade. It's a 60.3 cc engine. This Remington, I think, was 50. It was either 50 or 40. But it just wasn't, to me, it just did not have the power that it needed. But I did see a couple of tests a guy was doing between this and a stihl, and both about the same cc's. They used the same gas in them, same everything, had the same amount of hours on them, and man, this husky just, it was cutting 12-inch thick logs like it was butter. And that's what I want. I can try to leave a link to his YouTube page where he shows the test on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Once I get it ready to go, I may do another video on it. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Like, share, comment, and see you soon.